Hello, welcome back to Detail Art. This time we've got a super cool Porsche Panamera 4. It's an E-hybrid, so it's super cool acid green brakes. Don't look at the arch, still got to clean the arch. So this car is going to have our Major Enhancement Detail, so 2-stage machine polish, then 5-year ceramic coating, 2 wheels have been refurbished, then they're all going to be coated, all the glass coated, interior clean, Emgine Bay. I'll jump on and show you. Paintwork inspection time. Swirly swirly. Some deeper scratches and then buffer trails tied around where there is a little scratch in here. Someone's tried to polish it out quite unsuccessfully, just left a lot of mess. Electric charging flap has had a bit of treatment too. A lot more swirling going on. Rear bumper has been painted, so there is a bit of water residue there from drying it. Aha, but you can see a lot of action on the rear bumper. Swirls, buffer trails, tight to that edge here. It's very dull where it's been sanded and not quite finished out. Oh, a lot more down there. Swirly swirly. Swirly swirly. On the driver's side, some more buffer trails. Some dodgy polishing action. Driver's door seems to have missed it, which is cool. This is just some swirls, some wash marring. So up top on the bonnet, just more swirls and such. Front bumper has been painted, and again buffer trails. Oh, see more in there. And there's signs of paint on this wing as well, and buffer trails. So the car's going to have 2-stage machine polish, so we'll get on with the cutting stage now and show you the progress. Right, so at this point all of the cutting stage is done. It looks a lot better, but as you can see it's a little bit hazy. It's not quite sharp enough. So we're going to go in now with a finishing pad, finishing polish, refine it down, bring out all the gloss, make it look sparkly. Cool, so as you can see, the paintwork is now refined. Some deep scratches still knocking about, but on the whole, gloss levels are up a million. Inspecting around the car while we're polishing it, measuring it, turns out a lot of it's been painted. So we're not going for 100% perfection on this. So still a bit of residue from the initial panel wipe there. Just going to get panel wiped again before we coat it. But it looks good. So drawing all the buffer trails around here. Cut all this out, refined it back. Buffer trails on these doors. It's all looking good. So now I'm going to get the first of 2 layers of ceramic coating on. So it's the hard base layer, and we'll put the hydrophobic top coat over that, and I'll try and film some. Okay, so get this the right height. That's the Porsche done, apart from putting number plates back on. Just going in and pick the wheels up and coat those, and then it's done. But I'll leave you with the final footage now. Thanks again for watching. If you liked it, give it the thumbs ups, maybe subscribe, that's cool, and I'll see you on the next one.